Alright, last video of the day here. Snaps, appetizers, potato skins. So, these are actually quite good. You could buy these at numerous places now. I used to only see these at like Dollar General. Now you can buy these at like Dollar Tree, because Dollar Tree has like the plus section now with like the food. You could buy these at Walmart, Target, a whole bunch of places. So, these are pretty good actually. They're actually probably a little bit better than the TGI Fridays potato skins, to be honest. They just got more flavor and they're a lot cheaper too. 8 out of 10.